Hey, what's up guys? Thanks for watching another F2 Garage video. So I just recently picked up a new seat for the new car that I just picked up. It's a old Bride Brix seat, or Bride, whatever you want to call it. I'm not going to judge you because you can call it whatever you want. It's America, at least it is here. But I just went through and cleaned the thing because it was dirty and smelled like cat piss, and I want to be able to sit in it and not feel gross. There may be some repairs done to it later. I might try to look at refurbishing the fabric on it, but for now, at least it's going to be clean and I can sit in it and use it in the car. And I just wanted to make a quick video so you guys could see the process of cleaning it with my extractor. Hope you enjoy. So as you can see, the seat's a lot cleaner and it smelled so terrible when I poured that water out. So now I'm just gonna let it sit in the sun and dry out. And I also sprayed it with a bunch of Febreze because it just really smelled terrible. So hopefully the combination of the extractor and the Febreze is gonna make this thing totally acceptable to sit in. If you liked what you saw today, please like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps me out a lot. And I'll see you in the next video.